here is Rebecca Rabbit with her little brother, Richard Rabbit. Richard Rabbit wants to go on the roundabout too.
If Richard gets on, it means Richard can play with George.
Richard, would you like to play with...
No! Grrr, dinosaur.
George, can Richard play with your...
No.
Richard, can George play with...
No.
George, it will be much more fun. Can you two big girls teach them to play together?
Of course. George, Richard, today, first we turn the buckets over and we lift the buckets. It was your brother's fault. He broke George's... Your brother...
Now, you two.
George, what's your most favourite thing in the whole playground?
Seesaw! Seesaw!
Richard wants to play on the seesaw.
See?